Hi, please excuse my appearance. It's 7:30 in the morning. 20 to 8, sorry, I just dropped Ruby to the school bus. And it's one of those mornings I'm questioning. Should she be going to school? Did I make the right decision? She's in hell. She got on that bus with a mask. With her mask. A smile that lights up my world. She's in hell. Her legs are killing her. She's going to be in so much worse pain this evening, as there's another carol service today, and that's the reason she wants to go to school. I said to her last night, "You're in a lot of pain," and she agreed. She says, "But I really want to go to school tomorrow," and I said, "Of course you can. We have 2 rules for school. We never stop her from going to school unless it's detrimental to her health." Which just brings to the second one. How we know is when she can't lift her head off the pillow. She can't literally cannot get up. Or when she can't get dressed, stand up long enough to get dressed, which might seem like an obvious one, but it isn't. We fall over a lot, but when she's getting dressed, if she keeps falling over or collapses to the ground, that means your legs vanish and you just drop. Then you can't go to school. Which is the most horrible thing to say. The look in her eyes. Even when she is not able to lift up her head off the pillow, literally, will not work. The look in her eyes that she cannot go to school. You ask Ruby what her one wish is, other than the healthcare, and she'll tell you, never miss a day of school. And that should be the easiest wish to grant. The easiest one. But it's impossible. Living in a country with no healthcare. No recognition for our conditions. People believe you just have bendy joints. That you don't feel pain. We do. The exact same pain as everybody else. But we just have to mask it. Because if we don't, we'd never leave our beds. She'd never be able to leave her bed. One of the hardest things I was told is when Ruby was 3 years of age, and I was told that Ruby was in excruciating pain since the day she was born. And that's why she smiles and laughs all the time. To mask it. It's her way of masking it, and why she'd keep busy. Because when you stop, you stop, and sometimes you can't move again. There's a carol service today, that's why she wants to go to school. There was one last night and they've been practicing all week. It's why she's in so much pain. And every evening she has been in agony, rubbing her legs, doing stuff she needs to. And I said it to her. But she was so happy at the same time and so filled with joy that she was getting to attend and to do it and take part. Sometimes, like I said, you have to do these things. Or you'll miss out on everything. Doing things at pain levels that will leave non-chronic ill, disabled people in hospital. So she's gone to the carol service today, and like last night, I will watch her eyes slowly change as the pain becomes more and more unbelievably hard and unbelievably hard to handle. I will watch the mask slightly slip every so often, and I'll just wish I could take her pain away. As the saying goes, one of the hardest things to experience as a parent is watching your child going through something, pain, and not being able to help them. And it is. I hate that we have passed these curses on to Ruby, and that's what they are. And I'm not just talking about ADS. I'm talking about a lot of health conditions Ruby has. And no healthcare. Nowhere to bring her if life gets unbearably tough. The bubble in her throat that finds it hard to swallow the breathing issues. But she's gone in with a smile on her face, a mask all day to light up my world, a mask all day that not many people can see through. She'll have a wonderful day. So I question myself, and I have to remind myself, what is worse, her on the couch, frustrated, wishing she could never have to miss another day of school, or getting on that bus with a smile, but in hell. I have to say that it would have been worse watching her on the couch, knowing she missed out on something else, upset and heartbroken. Watching her get on that bus with the mask, knowing she's in hell, and knowing she's going to collapse when she gets home. But she'll be so proud of herself, and so happy that she got to do 2 carol services. And I'm going to go see her, which makes me so lucky and so grateful and so proud that I get that privilege. Hidden disabilities aren't always visible. Pain isn't always visible, but I think pain is visible. I think if you learn to read someone, you'll know. You learn to know when they're in hell. Have a lovely weekend. It's almost Christmas.